Well, that is the first service done for the big Zook. Ready to head back home now. So we should get rid of that symbol on the dash. Nice. There we go. So it's time to head back. Quickest route. There we go. Yes, that was, I'm now just over £300 worse off, and I also had tyre seal put in the front as well, and it was recommended by Bridge, so that should fend off any issues with punctures in the front. Well, I don't know if it'll sort any issues out. It won't stop punctures, but it'll certainly make things a bit better. Right, first service done. Let's go. Back homeward bound. I've been here all day. I did try to get some decent test rides. However, they weren't very keen to let me have a go on bikes when I wasn't interested in buying. There's only so much interest you can show when you're hanging around the workshop all day. And that's the issue, you see. This was an all-day appointment, so basically Bridge would just fit me in. That's not going to work very well, is it? But we'll persevere with it. Look, it's all falling down. Bridge were just fitting me in where they could, and I was grateful for that, but it did mean I was hanging around all day long. I've been there since 8:30, and what's the time now? 2 o'clock. Oh well, it is what it is. First service done, so now I can open up a little bit more. You're not going to be looking at me at all from that camera. Oh, yeah, let's see if I can wedge it up a bit more. Hello. I did get a test ride on the Goldwing randomly. I wanted to get a test ride on that new the new E-Clutch Honda, the CBR 650R, or whatever it's called, CBR 650. But apparently it was broken, the demo bike, so not much I can do about that. I did get a go on a Goldwing, so I'll do that up, the video up of that, if I haven't done already. So we're just heading on to the A30 now, so I hope you can hear me okay. But overall, Bridge have been really good today, and I've spent a lot of money on tea and coffee and cake and sausage sandwiches, so I hope they're grateful for that and their little cafe there, although I think the cafe is an independent thing anyway. But now I have a whole year of technically trouble-free biking, touch wood. And like I've said before, I'm an advocate for doing your stuff at home. Unfortunately, I had to get this serviced at a main dealer's to keep that warranty going. I did look into doing it myself, and Suzuki did actually reply. I emailed Suzuki and asked them if I could possibly do it myself. They said yes and no. Their answer was kind of yes, but if the bike breaks, we can't guarantee that it'll be covered under warranty. So that's like yes, no, maybe, but probably no. They did say you can get it serviced at a non-Suzuki dealer, but again, unless that dealer was trained and used the correct tools, then it's probably a no. So yeah, I have to go to Bridge or AT Motorcycles or Branson's, all an hour away, to get this thing serviced, which is frustrating. So that'll be the next 3 years or even 7 years if I decide to keep it with that Suzuki activated warranty for 7 years. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's just one of those things. Back on the M5 now, heading back home. I was going to do the A30 home, but I need to get home quite quick. Or I want to get home quite quickly. I came down this morning and I used my cruise control, which was wicked. At 70 miles an hour cruising down here. Most excellent. And I'm just using my phone as I don't actually need it, but it's on anyway, just for peace of mind. But I will be getting something up here that'll be coming soon. I just stuck my GoPro up there today with the chin mount thing that I brought. Works quite well. We'll see how that comes out. Probably be a shaky mess. We'll see. Yeah, it's only a 37-minute ride on the motorway now, which is good. Let's do some cruise control. There we go, cruise control is activated. But when you change gear, it dies. Or a bit like the old style cruise control on cars. Or when you accelerate, it goes up and then goes back down. And if you brake or change gear, it dies. Or it goes back off cruise control. And you set it here, slow it down with a button there, or speed up by pressing up. So you press that button, press set, and away you go. Definitely removes the fatigue of constantly having to adjust your right hand. So I will stop the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time watching Tom's TC, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!